Welcome to my channel. A beautiful circle question is in front of you. This question is taken from Bangladesh Olympiad question paper. Let me explain the question. Look at here. This chord is intersecting another chord. This chord is intersecting another chord here. So just name it D. And this point A, this point B, this point C. This AD length is 12 and DC length is 20. Here we have another chord and this chord is intersecting this chord. So just name it, this is E, F, G, H. So EG length is 10, GF length is 24. Our goal is to find this chord length, that is BH length. Dear viewers, pause the video, recall the chord theorems, try to solve yourself. Once done, then watch my explanation. I hope you had tried to solve this question. Let's see my explanation. This BH, we can write it as BD plus DG plus GH, isn't it? This BH length is BD plus DG plus GH. Here we know only DG length, that is 14. But we don't know BD and GH length. For that, assume it BD length is X and GH length is Y. Now, to find that BH length, first we need to find X and Y values, right? In the chord, we have an interesting theorem, that is intersecting chord theorem. The theorem states that if we have two chords and they are intersecting each other, then there is length, that is AD, multiplied by the length DC, which is equal to the length of this BD multiplied by this length, that is GP. So what the theorem said, now we have to take C chord and BH chord. D length multiplied by DC length, which is equal to BD length multiplied by DH length. BD is X times DH is Y plus 14, which is equal to AD is 12 and DC is 20. This is considered as equation 1. Now you take another chord, that is EF and BH. Use the same theorem because these two chords are intersecting each other. So same theorem here also states that the EG length multiplied by GF, which is equal to this GH multiplied by BG. GH means Y, BG means X plus 14, that is equal to EG. EG length is 10 times GF length is 24. We form two equations in terms of X and Y. So I am going to solve these two equations to find X and Y values. If you get X and Y values, substitute here, then you will get BH length. Multiply 12 times 20, which gives 240. 10 times 24, which gives 240. Wow. Our RHS are same. Now, it's so simple to solve X and Y values. If RHS is same, that means our LHS also same. So write this. X, Y plus 14, that is equal to Y, X plus 14. Expand this term. XY plus 14X, that is equal to XY plus 14Y. Subtract both sides by minus XY. XY plus 14X minus XY, and right hand side also subtract with minus XY. So here minus XY plus XY minus XY plus XY gets cancelled. 14X, that is equal to 14Y. Divide both sides by 14. then you get x equal to y. That's too good. Now substitute this x equal to y in your first equation, that is x times y plus 14 equal to 12 times 20. X times, instead of y substitute x because x equal to y. So x plus 14, that is equal to 240. So after expanding you will get x square plus 14x minus 240, that is equal to 0. This is an quadratic equation. Now find the factors of this x. X plus 24, that is equal to 0. X minus 10, that is equal to 0. So x values are minus 24 and 10. We reject this x equal to minus 24 because here x is representing a length. The length never be negative in a circle. So that's why minus 24 we are not considering. Only we left x value is 10. We proved that x equal to y. So that means if x equal to 10, then we can say that y value also 10. Now substitute these x and y values in the BH length. What is our BH length? BD plus DG plus GH. So we consider BD length is x plus GH length is y. And we know this DG value, that is 14. So we found x and y values, that is 10, 10. So substitute here. So 10 plus 10 plus 14, which gives 34. So BH length is 34. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.